So the stock market and cryptocurrency market has seen some absolutely insane volatility recently. There's been so much going on, and more importantly, Dogecoin has gone up by 800% in 24 hours. As you can see on this chart, Dogecoin has been on an absolute tear, basically going from less than 1 cent to 5.5 cents, and even peaking out at 7.5 cents. And remember, this is all done in pretty much a single day. The price of Dogecoin has absolutely spiked pretty much out of nowhere, and this really just comes down to the fact that people are basically financially protesting. They're not happy with how Wall Street is behaving, and they kind of want to stick it to the man. Websites like Robinhood have delisted GameStop from being able to be bought. You can still sell it, you just can't buy it. And people are obviously pissed off. Apparently Robinhood even took Dogecoin off the website. Like, come on. There is absolutely no excuse for that. But in any case, Dogecoin has been going crazy because of this, and they're putting their money into Dogecoin as we speak. Dogecoin is currently sitting at rank 10 in terms of market cap. This is absolutely insane to think what used to be a pretty much dead and inactive coin is now absolutely killing it. The interesting thing with Dogecoin is that this similar situation happened not that long ago, in fact. As you can see here, it had a similar spike, albeit not to the same degree we have it today, but it kind of just spiked in value pretty much out of nowhere. And this is because every time Dogecoin gets memed on and it becomes a thing again, it just goes up in value, and retail investors love this coin. You know, all the kids on TikTok, all the Zoomers, all the millennials, they all love Dogecoin. The question is it too late to get into it now? Now, if we look at this chart, we can see that Dogecoin hit its peak, its all-time high, within this day. And then it went down quite a lot, and the reason why I believe this is the case is because Americans were going to sleep and they didn't want to hold Dogecoin, such a volatile coin like this, while they were sleeping. So a lot of them sold when they went to bed, and as you can see, it's gone up since then as the Europeans are now waking up. What I think is going to happen is, in my opinion, I'm not a financial advisor, but what I think is going to happen is Dogecoin is going to hit another all-time high, potentially today, when the Americans get back. More and more retail investors get into this and start putting money into Dogecoin. I don't think it's a sure bet. I wouldn't blame you if you wanted to sell now, because this is obviously going to come back down at some point. But for now, I think there's still some upside in Dogecoin. I think we could get to the 10-cent mark. We could approach the 10-cent mark. That's a possibility. It's volatile, it could go down, but it could go to the 10-cent mark. The real way to make money from Dogecoin, in my opinion, is to buy this when nobody cares about it. This is what I did. I bought Dogecoin very early on, before all of this crazy movement started to happen. I bought Dogecoin much earlier on. This is my strategy. I buy Dogecoin and I hold a bag when nobody's talking about it. Like, you see this flat line, nothing's really going on with Dogecoin, then it gets memed on and it just absolutely explodes. So I think it makes sense to hold, in my opinion, this is what I do. I hold a small percentage of my portfolio into Dogecoin when it's not really being talked about, and then when something crazy like this happens, when Elon Musk tweets about Dogecoin, you know, you got a lot of celebrities and influencers like KSI obviously talking about Dogecoin with this picture. This is kind of the strength of Dogecoin. Like, there's not some crazy technology behind Dogecoin. It doesn't have all the fancy stuff, some of these DeFi coins and oracles and NFT. None of that. All Dogecoin is a fun and decentralized way to pay for things online, and it has a cool dog picture, and that is the unique selling point. It's 2021. Nothing makes sense anymore. It wouldn't surprise me if Elon Musk tweets about Dogecoin and it just goes through the roof and it hits that 10-cent mark easily. We've seen this today. Elon Musk just put hashtag Bitcoin in his bio, and Bitcoin has gone up by about 15% since he has done that. And that's with a market cap like Bitcoin. Imagine if he starts tweeting about Dogecoin, it's easily going to hit that 10-cent mark, in my opinion. Should you yourself get into Dogecoin? Should you buy now? I'm not sure about that. It's definitely a risk, a big risk. I would not put your life savings in it by any means. What I think is the wise thing to do in the future is to buy it when nobody cares about it. Like, look at this. I've gotten some tremendous gains from Dogecoin. I'm really happy about Dogecoin because I bought it very early on when this wasn't going on. And this happens. Like, this is kind of how this coin behaves. It's dead for a long time, and then it gets memed on social media, and then suddenly, hey, you're looking at a 10x. Big gains with Dogecoin when it gets memed on. And there's even websites accepting Dogecoin as a payment for holidays. Like, this is just really hilarious in my opinion. It's so fun to see an underdog like Dogecoin do well and reach number 10 in market cap. You know, Dogecoin was marketed as a fun and decentralized way to send payments online. All it has going for it is a cute dog picture, and apparently that's enough in 2021 to make it a competitive cryptocurrency. It's crazy, but hey, we're living in crazy times, and people are fed up with the current financial system, and they're putting their money into weird altcoins like this. Like, this is the thing to do. This is what kids today are doing. But by no means am I a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and not take any crazy risks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Zero Waiting, signing out.